Today, my dad and I are here in Great Smoky Mountains National Park, and we're about to hike the Sugarlands Valley Nature Trail. That's coming up next! I've really enjoyed this video of the Sugarlands Valley Nature Trail that my dad and I have hiked today. It's surely beautiful to be out in more of God's creation on such a beautiful day. Enjoyed seeing this trail and the remnants of the houses and just the beauty, the green. God, it's so good, guys. God, it's so good. But yeah, if you like this sort of stuff, please consider subscribing to my channel, because each and every week I do publish new videos of me visiting history museums and national parks, all this great stuff. I know you wouldn't want to miss out on any of that. My YouTube videos can be found at youtube.com/tnphotobug. And until next time, this is History Buff TN Photobug signing out. I'm indeed having a blast with the past.